The second best laptop for Fortnite under $500 is the ASUS VivoBook 15. It is known for building impressive gaming laptops over the years. From its first look, the ASUS VivoBook 15 seems to be inspired by ASUS's top-of-the-line ZenBook laptop. Processor: this laptop comes with a 10th generation Intel Core i3-1005 G1. It has 2 cores and 4 threads, making it reasonably slower than the other laptops on this list. However, it's built on a more advanced 10nm chip. Benchmarks put it 24.5% faster than its compatriot, i.e., the 10th generation Comet Lake. RAM: it has got 8 GB of DDR4 RAM, which is reasonable given the price tag. GPU: it has a dedicated Intel UHD G1 GPU of the latest Gen 11 architecture. Based on all these specifications, this laptop can play Fortnite at 720p on 45 to 55 FPS, whereas on 1080p, you might experience lagging. Display: it comes with a 15.6-inch 1080p screen with a TN panel. Storage: the laptop has 128GB SSD storage.